All right, here comes the birds. Let me get the brightness back up. They're right here in the middle now. Here comes some more coming. It's January 19, 2020, 4:56 p.m., and they are here again at the same time. Yeah. Hopefully you can see this a lot better now. They're over by this building again. I'm telling you, there's something going on at the exact same time every day that's causing these birds. Someone said they might be drones, but if it is, there's thousands of them. I'm pretty sure they're birds, though. Pretty sure. Where are they at now? They're over. Okay, here they come again. Now they're hanging over by the other 5G tower. Just going with the flow here. And they're going all the way over there. They're going way over there now. They're moving farther to the left each day. There's a bunch of them. Let's try to get in on this. Top of that thing up there. It's hard to see though. See them flying? There's some flying. That's them, believe it or not. It's a bunch of birds. Looks like a bunch of energy there up there though. It's weird. All right, we got 2 minutes until 5 o'clock, and when the siren goes off. Oops, I didn't mean to put the brightness down. I want to zoom out. Brighten it up just a little. It's the default anyway. All right, I'm gonna go here just a little and see if I can get them when they fly away from the siren. Hoping it would come in clear where you can see these things. There's a few birds flying around. Still, this is nothing compared. Oh, there goes a bunch of them. This is nothing compared to what. Now they're up here on this building. Nothing compared, unless there's just so many right there, just on that building. And there's so many. There's so many on top of this building, but they're right on the edge there. And they're on this edge of like that big pipe thing over here. We got 1 minute to go. Here's a bunch of birds. There's the siren. And they actually took off before, right before the siren. Look at that. Someone said, oh, they're just migrating. Well, guess what? Unless it was a different group every day, they're all here at the exact same time. Now, this is 3 days in a row for sure, and the 4th day that I've caught it. All between 4:50 p.m. They all going up there. 4:50 p.m. and 5:05 p.m. Oh, here goes a whole bunch more. They're all going to this building right over here. What's up with that? There's still some over there, and there's some over here now. Oh, they're over here now. Sorry. There's a batch, a smaller batch. I'm just wondering if they're boxed in by 5G. But then again, why would it just be at certain period times of the day? All right, so there's one batch coming over here to this Building up here again. They're all going to that building right there. Maybe that's their home or something, and it's funny I don't see them. I'll have to check and look. Oh my goodness, they're on the 5G tower over here. I doubt I can get it. It's not. So, yeah. But there's a bunch on there. Here comes a bunch of them. Are they flying to the... Yes, they... Well, they're going... No, they're flying around it. Trying to get the right brightness, too, so I can see it the best. But this should come out clearer than the other videos did. But now, there's the 5G tower, and they're all right around that area. I mean, there's some over here, obviously, and here's come some more. They're all hanging around that area around the 5G tower. Whoa, see, they're all leaving the 5G tower. Are you kidding me? Whoa. Wow. They are sticking together as a group. So I'm going back over here. And it looks like they're headed towards this building. Interesting. I don't know. There's a few down there. .503. Alright, I don't want to make this too long, but here they are again. And there's a bunch that are actually going on the 5G tower. Some of them are flying past it. Here we go again. Here comes some more. Here they go. That's insane. Look at those things. I want to see if they're gone by 5:05 again. Oh, we got some more coming. They separated, now they're joining each other again. Look at these birds. Yeah, they gotta be. There's no way those could be drones. That'd be thousands upon thousands of them. They're birds. 5:05. Starting to get cold outside. Huh. Now we got 3 separate groups. Okay, we got half the group went over to there, and half the group went up to there. And I'm not sure what these guys are doing over here. Crazy. Look at all these birds. And it looks like they're going over here again to this building. That's crazy, though. Alright, we're at 10 minutes on this. I wasn't expecting to do that much. But there, you got it again. You see? I don't know what's exactly going on. Could it be because of 5G? Why is it just this part of the day? Right, literally after sunset. Well, or right before sunset. Right at sunset. And just thousands upon thousands of birds. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh, here come one more time. Here they come. They're leaving. They're making a break for it. You know, I wonder if the 5G stopped because now they're just going. Now they're just going right past the 5G tower and not stopping. Interesting. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless. So it's 5:07. So I'll have to adjust my time from 4:50 p.m. to 5:10. Let's just say. Here comes a few more. Let's see if they just go right on past. And looks like they did. They went down lower. But that looks like that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless. Let's see if there's anything over on the horizon. A lot of orange. Whoops. Lots of orange. Let's put it back to default. Right there. Looks like there's a light source up, but there's not. All right. Thanks for watching. Oops. Let's make sure there's nothing else going on. Of course, a lot of times I don't see it until after I look back. All right. God bless.